Hello guys, my name is Chayan Sarkar and you are watching my channel SoftMemeWare. So let's get into secret email system review. Okay, so let me clear you firstly that secret email system is a software, but it has not given any review version to the JVs or to the affiliate marketers. Okay, that's why I can't show you the review version or the review software. Okay, basically I also have not used this software. Let me clear you more that it is not a software. Okay, it is a book which costs only $5.6. Okay, so that is why they are not able to give us a review version or something like that. Okay, so I will show you the review of the software by my website. Okay, so this is a meme is created by me. Okay, so here are some facts about that. We all are changed our permanent staying address, but hardly we change our email address. Okay, email address is a very powerful tool for marketing, for online marketing, affiliate marketing. It is a must tool for any marketers, successful marketers. Okay, or 7-figure 6-figure marketers, all they have one thing for their success. They have email list. They have built their email list. Okay, from the very beginning they have started to doing that, and there are some tactics and some procedure for collecting the emails. And in this software, or you can say in this book or tutorial, whatever you want, you can say, in this thing you will get the education or the tutorials of email marketing. Okay, so here are some facts. So this is the link where you will be redirect to the product. So you can see that you are getting 1.6k worth of training for just $5.6. Okay, so this is the magic of this tool. Literally this tool is very much valuable, very much knowledgeful tool. I really believe on it that it is very much knowledgeable. So there are some key features. This owner is very much experienced racer horse, sorry, experienced owner. He have started from 1997, and still he is going on with his product. My timer is ending. It is not a premium version, so it will allows me for 3 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes I will restart it. Okay, so these are some features, and all of the features is written by me, and totally this has some unique features. You can see passive income and relaxing life, huge time saving, only 30 minutes for works a day, and it is a trending product. It is future. Email marketing is future. It is a kind of permanent tool for your tool bag. Okay, and you can share the knowledge also to your followers, and you can make yourself a brand after getting the knowledge. Okay, I still have not found any cons. Okay, so this is perfect for any online earner who want to earn online. This tool is perfect. So this is the front end price. On this price you will get a book. You will a very knowledgeable book, and maybe some video tutorials. Okay, video tutorials or something like that. Okay, so this is the guarantee scheme, and everything is given. Okay, so who can use this, what is this product, and product owner sold over to I can't express it because I am not so good in English. I can't express it as a whole, but I can say the number $23,480,824 worth of digital, physical, and low ticket, high ticket products and service. Okay, so I strongly recommend this product for them who want to earn online, because you can see a large pizza comes in $12 or $14, and this product is only $5.6. And not only I am saying that it is cheap, that's why I am suggesting you, but also this product is very much knowledgeable and very much helpful for anyone who want to get exposure online marketing or online selling or online earning. Okay, So these are the sales funnel, and let's get into the bonus. These are the exclusive bonus which comes with this product, not from my side, from this product. These are the exclusive 10 bonus, 10 I think 9, sorry, but they have written somewhere 10. Okay, that's why I told 10. So these are the bonuses, and these bonuses are from my side, totally $5,296 bonuses, epic bonuses. I have collected it so many days, from so many days I have collected these bonuses. You can see there are so many bonuses. I don't want to make the video long telling about these bonuses, but you can see, you can see from yourself, and you can click the first link of this video description, and you will be redirected to this page, and you can grab your product with a big smile by seeing the meme, and you can choose your product, okay, your own way. Let me restart the video recorder. Okay, so these are the bonuses. All of the bonuses I am giving you, vital 44 bonuses which I have showed to you, I have presented here, but it is not possible to me to see. There are 100 plus bonuses or more bonuses that I am giving you totally for free, with reseller rights and everything, software, PDF, SEO tool, everything is comes within these 100 products. Okay, so this is a mega bonus. After all you got, all of the bonuses you will get after buying the front end product, which costs only $5.6. okay, so after buying the product, you will be redirected to this page where you can click the affiliate bonus. You will got these bonuses. Okay, all of these bonuses you can see. So this was the review. I basically maybe I have not given you any review stuff or any inside view of this product, but because I don't know. Okay, I have because it is a book, I can't show you like this way or that way. Okay, there is no review version of this product. Okay, so that's why I'm not able, but you can read everything. I have written here everything about the product, who can use, what is it, main features, why you need this type of product. Okay, this guy also has a nickname called email guy or powerful promoter, and he still running, holds a record on ClickBank. He has a product, or maybe he had a product with 2086.87 gravity. Okay, so this is a record. Believe me, this is a huge record. This is a huge gravity on ClickBank products. Okay, so that was the review. You can check from here, from the top link of this video description. Okay, you can click on that, and you will be redirected to this page, and you can choose your product by your own way. Okay, so bye bye, I'm signing out. Goodbye.